Hey everyone, welcome to another Howtech video tutorial. In this video we'll be showing you how to create progress bars in Microsoft Excel with conditional formatting. Progress bars show you visually how close you are to a goal. It can seem confusing at first, but once you know how, you'll be able to easily make progress bars. Let's create a progress bar in this document. This is our current amount, and this is our goal, which will be 100% on the progress bar. Click in the cell you want the progress bar to be in. It's recommended to increase its size. Click Conditional Formatting at the top, Data Bars, then More Rules. Change the color to your liking. Change minimum to number and maximum to number as well. Change the value of maximum to 1 and hit OK. If we type 35 in here, you can see that the progress bar shows up, but it's completely filled. To fix this, click the percentage button at the top and re-input the number. Now it works as expected. Finally, let's make a formula here instead of inputting it manually. Type equals D5 divided by D6. Now when we edit our original values, the progress bar updates accordingly. Conditional formatting may seem confusing, but we only went through a few short steps to make a progress bar. What else would you like to learn about conditional formatting? Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.